My name is Alan Taman, and I am from Vanuatu. I'm chairman of Santo Sunset Environment Network. We building resilience with communities. We educate people about climate change, train them how to prepare them in the times of disaster. And we bring the youth together with women to train or to educate them about the traditional way, how we're going to live or to adapt with. We live in western part of Santo, it's quite remote. We work with 42 villages. 5,000 people in this area. We have no vessel road, we have no banking and all things, so people, we isolated, and the people is depending on the forest. So they are resilient through the forest, so we must protect the environment. We set up a CTC committee, Community Disaster Climate Change Committee, right? And now we are working on the book that we call Traditional Agriculture book, especially for the agriculture, for planting. We cooperate with the elders, especially the chiefs, because they know about traditional ways. I also thank UNDP for the grant that we have to adaptation, but especially for the agriculture. We work with the communities to gardening. People now, they're happy, they have garden to scale up the sustainable business, help people in the community farm to earn money, and also help the organization to do more projects in the communities.